Let's draw a lip.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start on this side of the paper, and we will add a curve that comes up and then goes down to a point like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So we'll start here and we're going to go up and then come down. Next, we're going to draw a big curve from this side to this side. So we'll start over here and we'll go all the way over to here and stop. Next, we're going to draw the line that separates the two lips. Okay, so let's add this line. It goes like this, and then it comes down and comes back up, and then goes all the way over to the corner. Now, what we're interested in is the lip. You can draw an arrow that points to the lip, either the top lip or the bottom lip. This is a lip. What color will you make your drawing? Will you draw other things around it? I'm so curious what you'll come up with. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike.